Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of United Bank Limited. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code of United Bank Limited, the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in United Bank Limited Swift code. And once you hit search, the Swift code is generally shown right here, which is UNILPKA028. And in order to know more, simply tap on the given link, which is the Remit link, and here you can see the Swift code, the bank name, the bank address, bank code, city and country as well. Then the next method that you can use is on the search bar, type in United Bank login and then simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now here what you need to do is to find the login option and log in using your user ID and your password. And once logged in, what you need to do is simply use your account details or international transfers, and your Swift code will be pasted right there as well. The next method that you can do is ask your bank or recipient. Simply contact your UVL branch and ask for the exact Swift or BIC for international transfers. If someone is receiving money, ask them for the Swift code for their specific branch. The next method is check your bank statement or documents. Sometimes your account statement or international transfers forms show the Swift code as well. And you can also confirm the right code with the bank or recipient, as using the wrong Swift code can delay or misroute your transfer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.